I really love this place. Good vibes.
The Chelomey complex was built from the ground up to be the ideal comfortable workplace.
Can it, Glove? I've been here before.
Will we make it for the speech?
Oh, we've got plenty of time. We can even go on rides afterwards.
Chelomey City floats on the Icarus platform, a feat of modern science and technology. This city in the clouds was built in 1950. Leading scientists from all the other Soviet republics live here, including the German SSR. You need to have an exceptionally brilliant and dedicated mind to work here.
Forward, and 1 and 2 to the side. And one more time, but faster. And 1 and
Comrade?
2 and forward.
Comrade,
and
did you
1
help me
and
out?
2 arms out.
Would you care for some more soda, comrade?
One more time.
You came to
To
hear
do
the
this
speech,
exercise,
right?
keep your feet
Go to the
wide
town
apart.
square. I bet
And
that's where your friends are.
side bend.
Sure, thanks.
Now your feet.
Which way is the town square?
Just head for the large building.
Mom, my arm got stuck.
Thank you so much. Sorry, honey.
Looks like another bot got stuck in a tree. That always cracks me up.
Here, Al. Come here, bud. Here,
They're still working on the robot's navigation system.
It's just a number.
Yeah, I
Hey,
noticed.
we'll come up with something.
Wow, what a beautiful day.
What's up with your Vovas bots, Andre? They're going haywire. What the hell did you do to them?
Good morning, my boy. How are you? Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dr. Sechenov. I slept fine. Awaiting orders.
How do you like the new glove?
Better than the old one. It's growing on me.
I'd expect nothing less. I designed the device myself. Be careful with it now. It's more important than you might think.
Yes, Dr. Sechenov. I'll keep it safe.
Report to the lab to complete your integration with the glove. I've got a full schedule today, so Mikhail Stockhausen will get you up to speed. I'll be in touch later.
Roger that.
You've been ordered to the laboratory, Comrade Major. There's a turbine waiting for you at the airway. Are your orders clear?
Crystal, get off my case already.
I'm pleased to hear you don't have any questions, for once.
You dickhead.
Comrades, the address by the Director General of Facility 3826, Dr. Sechenov, is about to begin.
Greetings, comrades.
Repent, sinners.
Dmitry Sechenov, and this is Facility 3826. A warm welcome to your future. Today, we stand on the brink of the greatest event in the history of mankind. We find ourselves...
Report to the lobby of that high-rise, Comrade Major. They're waiting for you.
That will profoundly change the world as we know it.
That's one hell of a car. But it's still internal.
No, I'm not exaggerating. Just look at how our beloved Soviet Union has been transformed in the last few decades. Thanks to my invention of neuro...
So glad to see you're taking it easy, Comrade Major. The car is waiting. You must go to Dr. Sechenov's office for the access code. It's been left with one of his bodyguards.
Yeah, natürlich. I love this place. No matter how many times I come here, it always amazes me. It's just so nice.
Our elevator has arrived.
Talk about style. Science is power, I tell you. The boss has a way of looking down on insurmountable obstacles. I really respect that.
There are no obstacles science cannot surmount.
Other than an electronic glove that never shuts up.
Here's your vehicle activation code, Comrade Major.
Got it.
The vehicle is waiting downstairs. You should hurry. You don't have much time.
We can take the same elevator we took to get up here.
Thanks, Einstein. What would I ever do without you? Wizard, this is P3. Come in.
Sergei, are you all right, my boy?
I'm okay, boss. But nothing here is the way it's supposed to be. Whatever's going on clearly started a while ago.
Viktor Petrov is the reason. He's a traitor who hacked into Collective's central hub and caused the civilian robots to attack facility employees. Petrov has the access codes for the hub. Your mission is to find him. Bring him to me, alive.
Copy that, sir. The target is Viktor Petrov. My mission is to find him and bring him to you.
Exactly. Sechenov out.
All operators and abandon their workplaces immediately. Do not interact with the robots. Repeat, do not interact with the robots. Do not panic.
Holy shit! Hey, Glove.
Yes, Major?
Any details on the target?
Viktor Petrov is the lead engineer behind Collective 2.0.
Holy shit! What a goddamn clusterfuck.
You there! On the other side of the door! Is somebody there? This place is dangerous! Just turn the handle and open the door!
What the shit? Hang on, buddy! Hang on! Hang on!